Paul, our implementation lead, whenever he would come out for an on-site visit, be it for that discovery part or be it to go through some of the implementation details, do training, he would always develop and publish a consultation activity report, which basically went through almost like minutes, action items, and details of everything we discussed and decided while he was here. And that was valuable because as you go through the implementation process, there's lots and lots of details that you have to work through. And as you get, a couple months down the line from a decision you made a couple of months ago, you may forget some of the details about, now, how did we do that, or why did we decide to implement it in such and such a way? And you can go back and read the consultation activity report that Paul put together and get those kind of details for you. So that was an important thing for me. As a project manager, I appreciated that attention to detail in both the project plan and then the documentation of the visits that we had.